Imagine waking up one normal morning, but something feels wrong. The sky looks the same, the air is still, everything is quiet, and then it happens. Earth disappears. In its place, a black hole. Not far away in space, not in a distant galaxy, right here, where you are standing. But here's the strange part. You don't instantly fall into it, because black holes are not space vacuum cleaners. They don't just suck everything immediately. Instead, gravity changes everything. Within the first second, the moon would still be orbiting, but now it has nothing stable to orbit around. Its path starts to break. Slowly, it drifts into chaos. On Earth, people wouldn't even understand what is happening yet. But physics already knows the truth. Light itself begins to behave strangely. The sky would start to distort near the black hole's position, bending like a warped mirror. Now imagine this. 10 seconds pass. 10 seconds near a black hole where Earth used to be. Time itself starts to act differently. Near extreme gravity, time slows down compared to faraway space. So for some parts of the universe, those 10 seconds could feel like minutes, or even hours. Everything close enough would begin to stretch, not because of wind or explosion, but because gravity is pulling harder on one side than the other. This is called spaghettification. Objects don't just fall in. They get stretched into long, thin shapes as they approach the black hole. Now the most terrifying question comes. What happens after 10 seconds? If Earth suddenly came back exactly as it was, would everything return to normal? The answer is probably not. Because in those 10 seconds, the entire gravitational balance of Earth, Moon, atmosphere, and orbit would already be disturbed. Even a tiny change in cosmic structure can lead to long-term instability. The Moon might not return to its original orbit. Tides could become unpredictable, and the atmosphere itself might carry hidden disruptions we cannot even fully calculate. And there is another mystery. Black holes don't just affect space. They affect time, information, and reality itself. So even if Earth returns, the question remains, did the universe simply pause for 10 seconds? Or did something fundamental change that we can never undo? In the end, this is what makes black holes so terrifying. Not just what they destroy, but what they do to the rules of reality itself. But we still haven't reached the most terrifying possibility. What if the black hole doesn't simply sit there? What if it begins to consume everything around it? First, the moon, then the satellites orbiting Earth, then the countless fragments of debris scattered throughout space. As these objects spiral toward the black hole, they begin to move faster and faster, heating up to extraordinary temperatures. They form a blazing disk of superheated matter, glowing brighter than entire stars. The darkness of space would suddenly be illuminated by a cosmic monster. But things become even stranger. According to our current understanding of physics, the deeper you approach a black hole, the less we understand what truly happens. Space and time themselves begin to behave in ways that challenge everything we know. At the very center lies a region known as a singularity, a place where our laws of physics break down completely. Beyond that point, science can no longer give us clear answers. And that is what makes black holes so frightening. Not what we know about them, but what we don't. Could information survive inside a black hole? Could the history of entire worlds be hidden beyond its boundary? Could there be secrets trapped forever behind the event horizon, completely inaccessible to the rest of the universe? No one knows. Every black hole may be hiding stories that can never be told. Entire planets, entire civilizations, perhaps even evidence of life that once existed somewhere in the cosmos, lost forever in the darkness. And that leads to one final question. If a black hole can erase everything we know, what else is the universe hiding? Because black holes are not just objects in space. They are the edge of our understanding, a place where certainty ends and mystery begins.